What to do with money you've made online. Here's a 100% free guide we created just for you, dear viewer, so you don't blow through your earnings. First, don't blow it. Before anything fancy, set aside taxes. Seriously, 30 to 40% if you're in the US. Percentage divided by 100% times money made. That's 30% divided by 100% multiplied by $400. $400 is the amount of money you made online. That equals to $120 in taxes and leaves you with a net profit of $200.80. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash in a Bank of America envelope or under your bed. That's all up to you. If you skip this part, everything else collapses later. Reinvest. If you made money online, you can make more. Reinvest into better tools and software or better skills to make even more. Start building real wealth, not just cash flow. If you make it fast, it can also disappear fast. So reinvest in index funds like the S&P 500 ETFs or your retirement accounts. Avoid these traps at all costs. Lifestyle inflation, cars, watches too early, random crypto gambles, or copying other people's investments blindly. So, to recap, pay taxes, keep emergency cash under your AI ChatGPT-powered mattress, reinvest into what made you money in the first place, scale, repeat.